In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail's default text settings to better fit your personal or professional style. If you frequently use Gmail, you might have noticed that sometimes the default text doesn't quite suit your preferences, whether that's the font type, size, or color. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to customize your Gmail interface, making it not only visually appealing, but also more efficient for your daily communication. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're signed into your account, we'll start by locating the Settings menu. This is the gateway to all customization options. In the upper right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll find a gear icon. That's your settings. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says, See All Settings. Click on this to open up the full settings menu for your account. It might take a second to load, but it's pretty straightforward once it does. Here, you'll see several tabs across the top of the page, like General, Labels, and more. We want to stay in the General tab, which is the default view when you land in the settings. Scroll down gently through the options until you find a section labeled Default Text Style. This is the tool we'll be using today. Here, you can adjust the text style to suit your needs. You'll have options to change the font type, size, and even the color. It's a good idea to preview each adjustment to make sure it's exactly what you envisioned. Now, a little tip as you're playing around with these settings: pick a font and size that's easy to read. While some fonts might look stylish, readability is key, especially if you're composing emails that recipients will read on a variety of devices. Once you're set on your choices, scroll down further in the settings window. There will be a Save Changes button at the very bottom. It's crucial to click this to ensure all your adjustments are saved. It's easy to overlook, but without saving, all your efforts to customize will be lost upon exiting. Finally, after saving, head back to your inbox and open up a new email to double-check your changes. Hit Compose, and you should immediately see your new default text settings in action. It feels great to have a customized interface, doesn't it? And that's it. By following these steps, you've just personalized your Gmail to better represent your style, making every email you send a little more unique and tailored to your liking. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your Gmail experience. Happy emailing!